The all-new 2025 Jeep Willys Truck has arrived, and it's turning a lot of heads. Jeep has always been known for building vehicles with true off-road DNA, and this model takes that heritage into a whole new era. At first glance, you immediately notice the rugged, yet modern styling. It keeps the boxy, military-inspired look that pays tribute to the classic Willys Jeep, but it's been sharpened with LED headlights, a bold 7-slot grille, and aggressive wheel arches that make it look ready for battle on the trails. Under the hood, Jeep offers multiple engine options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, a powerful V6, and even a plug-in hybrid variant for drivers who want capability with efficiency. Power delivery is strong and immediate, giving you the confidence to handle both city streets and rocky mountain passes. Paired with Jeep's legendary 4x4 system, locking differentials, and high ground clearance, this truck is built to conquer mud, sand, and snow with ease. Inside, the Willys Truck surprises with a refined cabin that blends toughness with comfort. Durable materials ensure it can take a beating, but soft touch surfaces, premium leather seats, and modern tech make it a comfortable place to spend long drives. The infotainment system runs on Jeep's latest Uconnect platform with a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates to keep the software fresh. Add in features like a premium audio system, digital driver display, and plenty of USB-C ports, and it feels just as modern as any luxury pickup. Safety has also been taken to the next level. The 2025 Willys Truck includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and advanced emergency braking. Jeep knows drivers will take this vehicle into challenging conditions, so it's engineered to keep you protected wherever the road or trail leads. When it comes to price, Jeep aims to make the Willys Truck competitive with other mid-size pickups like the Toyota Tacoma and Ford Ranger. Starting around the mid-$40,000 range, it's positioned as a serious contender in the off-road truck segment. Compared to rivals, it stands out for its Jeep heritage, rugged style, and authentic trail-ready hardware that many trucks only pretend to have. The 2025 Jeep Willys Truck is more than just a pickup, it's a statement. It's for drivers who want toughness, adventure, and history all in one package. Whether you're commuting during the week or hitting the trails on the weekend, this truck promises to deliver that unique Jeep experience that fans around the world love. This has been USA CarReview. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the new Jeep Willys Truck.